Hi kids, so I'm going to show you how to go into Google Classroom to find your assignments. So there's a couple different ways to get there. The way that we used to do it in class is we'd go up to the waffle up here in the right hand corner and we'd click it and we'd find the icon that says Classroom. Now some of you don't have that, so you'll have to go up here into the search window, or you can do it down in this window too, either way, and you can search Classroom and it will bring you to the first real hit on the Google search. It will be Classroom. And since you're signed into Google, it'll take you right to your list of classes. Our class is this one, 2019-2020 Jackson. So you'll click this, and this will be the stream. The stream is where you can see all the messages that your classmates are posting. And you can post messages here yourself, share something with your class. Assignments will also pop up here when they're ready, when they're open for you to do. If you don't find them in your stream, because every time someone types, it pushes it further down. If you don't find it in your stream, go to the top and go to classwork. When you click classwork, there will be an assignment here. These are all the assignments that are going to come to you, but you'll only get one at a time, one or two at a time usually. So after that, you click and open your assignment, and it will show you a little assignment right down here to click into. So that's what you do. And that's how you move around Google Classroom.